During our 2-week stay in Buenos Aires, we decided to take a 2-day trip to Iguazu Falls. Here we are on our way to the Aeroparque Internacional Jorge Newbery Airport for a 2-hour flight.
We are at the airport. Says, where are we going?
Iguazu Falls.
So exciting.
Yeah, all the videos and pictures you see make it look incredibly beautiful. Can't wait to see it.
Ooh, that looks good.
Oh, here we go.
For $5.50. Look at that. Let's see all the places we could go. Santiago.
We're flying into Puerto Iguazu, Argentina. Iguazu Falls are located both in Brazil and Argentina, with most of the falls being located in the Argentina side.
Bought our tickets from Puerto Iguazu to the Brazil side of the Iguazu Falls, and the return tickets too, so we can go spend the day tomorrow there, maybe go on the boat ride through the waterfall.
We took a 1-hour bus ride over to Iguazu Falls, Brazil, where it dropped us off at the entrance of the park.
Here we go.
Why are you wearing your Ecuador soccer shirt? Brazil.
We took a short train ride and then a hike through the jungle to get down to the boat dock to start our boat tour.
Welcome to the National Park of Iguazu.
Is this your first time in Brazil?
It's my first time in Brazil.
Me too.
Here we go, let's go!
What is that?
That's the wall of jungle. That is so cool. Oh boy. Here we go.
Look at us too.
Yeah.
Look at that! Look at that! Oh my god!
Woo!
Look at that!
There's more? Let's do it again.
Are you soaked?
I'm soaked. Are you soaked?
I'm a little soaked.
Look at that.
I got this thing.
Yeah.
It barely got wet.
Oh yeah, just a little bit. How about you? Let's see what you look like. Wow.
It got wet.
No, you're not wet at all.
Wrong shorts to wear.
Oh boy.
Did you enjoy that?
Oh, that was amazing. What about you?
So much fun. We should do it again.
What an unforgettable adventure we've had today on the thrilling boat ride that took us right into the heart of the falls. Remember, nature has a way of reminding us how small we are and how beautiful our planet can be. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and let the adventures continue. Why are you laughing?
As you said at the end of that huge long introduction, don't forget to like and subscribe and experience more of our thrilling adventures.
We're trying to write a script.
Why is it so funny?
For a YouTube of Iguazu Falls. So I just typed into, it's for a little intro for this Iguazu Falls, Brazil, and I went to AI. I said, write me a little script for our intro for a day, taking the bus, taking the boat ride, and then the trail at Iguazu Falls. So then it wrote this huge script, and we're reading it,
7
and it's
paragraphs.
so scripted. And at the end I read, and don't forget to like and subscribe.